Hi everybody! Today we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes, cornbread. So first of all we need about 300 gram flour. I have that already in the bowl. And we're going to add some polenta in it. So we have about 240 gram of it. And after that we also need 4 tablespoons of sugar. So now all those dry ingredients are in the bowl and we're going to mix it up. It should look like that. We also need 1 teaspoon salt. I put it already in a tablespoon. And we need about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. My producer is so funny. He's laughing because he's not understanding anything of that. So, you can also take. Let's laugh. So, mix it up again. So, we mixed up all the dry ingredients, so we need to take another bowl for the liquid. So, we need 2 eggs. They're already beaten up. We also need about 100 gram butter, melted butter, so you can do that in a microwave. And we need 500 milligram buttermilk. I hope you have time. I have time. No. You know what? Takes too much time. So we also mix up all those ingredients. So after that we take again our dry ingredients and put all the liquid in it. I think it's a good idea. Like that. Smells good. And you mix it up. If you have a mixer, you can use it. If not, you can use that. Unfortunately, my producer has no money to buy a mixer. I think you got mail. So it has to look like that. After that, you need a big baking pan and maybe something to grease it. I didn't think about that. Oh, look at that. I found something to grease the baking pan. That's magic. I didn't look it up. Thank you. Wonderful, wonderful Wizard of Oz. Ooh, I think that was the one. Let's squeeze it. So while you're greasing the pan, after that you have to preheat the oven on 200 degrees. I think I didn't do that. Oh, You could, like our American friends, could use pan. I love to use it. Pan is wonderful. Pan is awesome. But for our German friends, I saw pan at Real. A little bit expensive, but it's awesome. So maybe we have texture. So after we grease the baking pan, I'm going to put all those nice dough in the baking pan. The producer doesn't even have a thing. I don't know the English. Oh no! I give you a little hint. Don't wear jewelry while you are baking, like me. It might look good in the first moment, but do it. Now we have our dough in our baking pan like that. So now you're going to preheat the oven on 200 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit, Celsius. So I'm going to do that right now, and you have to bake it for 25 minutes, and then you will have delicious cornbread. So. Our wonderful, wonderful cornbread is done. So we're going to cut it in squares. If you have a smaller baking pan, use that one, please. Because we didn't have a small one, so we had a big one, so our cornbread is not very huge, but it's okay. It's alright, it's okay. It's hot. So, you can eat your cornbread with chili. Now we have our chili here. You can, of course, put your cornbread on it. So now you could dip it. Now you could dip it and zip it. Now you can dip it in your chili. Or you can put some butter on it. I love it with butter. And so I hope you enjoyed my program. You know, my nice cooking show. And I hope to see you soon. So enjoy it. And I would say guten Appetit. And don't forget to give me some comments